Good day everyone! So, today, we're going to revisit the Pearl Model Townhouse dito sa Olivares Homes na very accessible from Southwoods exit and very near from Southwoods Mall and other establishment na kailangan or need ng ating family. So, bibisit lang uli natin, then later tingnan natin yung mga available units. Good thing dito kay Pearl Model is ongoing na yung construction ng mga townhouses or ng mga unit. So kung medyo nagmamadali sila na makalipat kagad, so this is good for you. So tara po. So this is the sample ng townhouse units dito sa Olivares Homes in Southwoods. So ang papasokin natin sa model unit, which is an end unit or corner unit. Pag corner kasi we have space at the side. So ayan po, may space tayo dyan. Ayan. Then in front, ayan po yung pasad ng ating unit. So, first, meron tayong concrete parking para safe po yung vehicle natin dito sa Olivares Homes. Yan. Then, dito we have the metal door. Ayan po, medyo kumupas na lang kasi nauulanan. So, naiinitan. So, siguro kapag nakalipat sila, then kung you can improve siguro yung ating short roof para hindi kagad ma-damage yung ating door. Then meron tayo ditong rack na design. So ayan. Pasok po tayo. Then upon entering, so ito po yung ating space for living area wherein you can receive your visitors at the same time. You can bond with your family. Then on this side, ayan, siguro you can use this space para for your television or multimedia setup. Then on this side, so dito yung baba nung hagdan natin. So what they did is they put cabinet, so pwede mo rin siyang gayahin kung gusto mo, or if you want other design, so that's better. Kasi since sa'yo naman to, then open plan siya, you can set kung saan mo ilalagay yung ating living, dining, di ba? Then, this one, ayan, naglagay lang sila dito ng 4-seater, pero 3-seater lang pala. Anyway, pero you can put siguro 4-seater. Ayan. Na dining area. Then, we have here our kitchen wherein si Mami pwede mag-prepare ng food bago tayo kumain, di ba? So, ayan. So, we have granite na kitchen, then we have the base cabinet, then we still have here the hanging cabinet. So, good thing dito is we also have the window. Ayan, para syempre, una yung light mag-pass through. Then at the same time, kung nagkukuk tayo, so pwede mong buksan para hindi masyadong maamoy dito sa loob. Okay? Then, we have your space for your space at the back of your unit wherein you can put the laundry, or if you want, para hindi tayo magkukuk sa loob, you can set up your stove here sa labas ng unit mo. So, yung space, it will serve as your extension for your laundry and cooking area. So, we're done on the first floor. So we're going to have the second floor. Tara, but before that, before we enter or we go up, so we have here the toilet and bath. Dito sa first floor bago tayo umakyat. So eto po siya. So ayan, so naka-tiles na siya from flooring up to the ceiling, guys. Then meron na rin tayong glass dito, included na rin siya. Then ito yung ating toilet and ating lavatory. Then, nakit tayo. Then by the way, before we proceed again, so ay ipakita lang natin yung tiles natin. So naka 60 by 60 cm ceramic tiles po tayo dito sa ground floor. Then going up, same as Ellie. So we have here our vinyl. Then naka wooden handrails tayo dito. So sa pag-akyat natin, so makita natin dito we have sliding door. Ayan. So sliding door na. Ayan dito. So we have here space outside our unit wherein you can put the a chair para kung gusto mo magpahangin outside your house kung ayaw mo sa parking natin, di ba? So ayan. So pasok po tayo, tara. So on this one, we have our master's bedroom. So ayan. So dito naglagay sila ng cabinet. Then dito, ayan, table and chair or study area. Then dito nila nilagay yung ating bed. So, ang nilagay lang nilang bed is double. But still, you can set up kung paano mas maganda. Depende sa pangangailangan ng ating family. Then on the second room, we have para sa kids natin. So, same thing, naglagay ng study area. Then ito yung single bed natin. Then on this side, yan, naglagay din sila ng cabinet. Ayan. So para at least makita natin kung paano sineset up yung ating unit. But again, you can set up this based on your own needs, di ba? So on this side, so meron din tayong toilet and bath. Same lang naman with the first floor. Unfortunately, nakalock din siya. So, ayun, same lang naman siya. Yun lang po, if you want this per unit to visit personally, and sa tingin mo, ito na yung very ideal na hinahanap mong dream home. So, don't forget to message me on my Viber and WhatsApp on my number of 0956-618-6967. And you can also message me on my FB page, Bahay for One. This is Yun Yambao, your registered real estate salesperson. Bye-bye! So, by the way nga pala guys, so visit natin kung ano yung mga available units natin dito. So, tara, baba tayo. So, ayan, labas tayo ng unit. So, guys, ayun lang yung corner na yon. So, yan lang yung entrance natin, palabas ng Olivares Homes. So, few blocks away lang yung available natin. So, tara. So, this is block 13. So, sa 13, may ilan tayong available dito. So, check po natin. So, ayan. So, dito, nakita nyo na, ayan, may available tayo dyan sa block 13. So, ayan. If you see, constructed na yung unit, siguro mga 90% na or 80%. I'm not sure with the percentage, pero if you notice, nakatayo na siya, may pintura na, may bubong na rin siya, halos buo na talaga. Then dito, ayan, meron tayong Ellie na available dyan. So, ganda nung yung townhouse ng Block 12 kasi dalawa lang. So, parang naging duplex siya. Then, we still have here, okay, on Block 12. Ayan. So, ayan po. So, kung makikita nyo, so may mga available units tayo na ongoing construction siya. So, ayan. So, yun. Alam ko may mga reopen din sa Block 8. So, yun. Kung gusto mo, malapit sa gate, few blocks away lang. So, ayan. So, don't forget to message me, guys. So, para at least ma-assist ko po kayo na makita nyo personally kung saan yung mga spot na magugustuhan po nila. So, again, this is Yun Yambao, your registered real estate salesperson. Just message me on the contacts on the screen or iwan ko rin yung some other details on the description box. Okay, so bye-bye.